Yes. Hello everyone and welcome you all in mathematics class for class 7th here. And today I am going to explain this topic, multiplication of two binomials. Okay? And this is here third video for this week. So now let's start, students. Here what given, you can see multiplication of two binomials. So we can learn this by the, suppose that a plus b and c plus d are two binomials. With the help of this example, that a plus b and c plus d are two binomials. Then by using the distributive law of multiplication over addition, we can find the product. And if the signs are negative here, such as a minus b and c minus d, or any one is minus only, a plus b and c minus d, then we can use distributive law of multiplication over subtraction also. So we can do here like that, a plus b into c plus d, then you will do that, this a you will take first and that will multiply to the whole second binomial c plus d. Then you will select the second term of the first binomial, that is b plus b. Then that plus b will multiply to the whole second binomial c plus d. Now it becomes the multiplication of a monomial and a binomial that I have explained in the previous video. So here now this a and c, this a will multiply to both c and d. So the product will be a into c plus a into d. As you can see, a into c plus b into d. And that b will multiply here to this c and to this d. So b into c plus b into d. This will become result here. Then you can summarize it that AC, a into c is AC and a into d is here AD. That b into c is BC and this b into d is BD. So the final product here is AC plus AD plus BC plus BD. Okay. Now we can do this multiplication based on this given rule, such as 4x plus 5y and 9x plus 2y. When you have to multiply this number, what you will do, again the same rule you have to apply, that 4x will multiply to the whole second binomial 9x plus 2y, and then 5y will multiply to the whole second binomial plus 5y will multiply to the whole second binomial 9x plus 2y. The process can be reversed also. You can do the multiplication from 9x plus 2y. Also you can start that you will first take 9x and 9x will multiply to whole second binomial 4x plus 5y, and then 2y will multiply to whole binomial 4x plus 5y. Okay, but let's try with the first what I have said. So we can do that like this, that 4x plus 5y into 9x plus 2y. So as I have said, you can see first I have taken this 4x and that is multiplying to the second whole term, whole binomial 9x plus 2y, and then this 5y will multiply to the whole binomial 9x plus 2y. Then now again it becomes the multiplication here, it is divided into two parts now, this and this. So if these two parts you will see, then what we are finding, that it is the multiplication of a monomial and a binomial, which we have already seen. So you will multiply next step, that 4 into 9x, this 4x will multiply to 9x also and 2y also, one by one. So 4x into 9x and then 4x into 2y. Again similarly here this 5y you will multiply with this 9x, and next you will multiply this 5y with 2y. Okay, then 4 into the numbers you will multiply, their numerical values and then their variable also. So 4 into 9, that is 36, and x into x is x square. Same here in this step, 4 into 2 is 8 and x into y, that will give the xy. Same here now, 5y into 9x, then numbers you will multiply, their numerical coefficients multiply with the sign. Okay, so their sign is plus only here, plus 5 into 9, 5 into 9 is 45 and x into y gives result xy. Now here you see the numbers 5y and 2y. Okay, last number is here 5y into 2y. So first 5 into 2 you will multiply. That 5 into 2 is 10 and y into y is y square. Now you can see these two terms are like terms, 8xy and 45xy, because they are variables with their exponent, they are same. X and y both have the exponent 1. X also have one exponent and y also have one exponent in both the terms. So you can, they are the like terms, you can say, because their literals are same with their exponent. So now you can add that 45xy plus 8xy, that is 53xy. So this is the result then, and these two are the different terms, unlike terms, so they will be as it is only without any change. So 36x square plus 8xy plus 45xy will, it is 43xy plus 10y square. Okay, so this is the result, final result here. I hope it is clear. Now same you can multiply with the column method also, with the column method that we are going to see now, column method. So you will write like this first. Write both the expressions, both the binomials in vertical way. Okay, 4x plus 5y and 9x plus 2y downside. Anyone you can write up or down, that is based on your choice only. I have written 4x plus 5y upside and 9x plus 2y downside. Then you multiply, then what will here you will do that this 9x you will multiply with 4x, and then this, after that you will multiply this 9x with this 5y also. Okay, so that we will get first 9 into 4 36 and x into x square, then here 9x into 5y. Next step you have to do that 9x into 5y. So 9 into 5 is 45 and x into y is 45xy. Okay, now this 2y, now you will take this 2y and then 2y will first multiply to 4x and then it will multiply to 5y. So 2y into 4x, then 2 into 4, here 8 plus 8, and y into x is here xy. So plus 8xy plus 8xy. Now you will multiply this 2y with 5y. Then 2y into 5y is, first you will multiply the numbers there, numerical coefficients. 2 into 5 is 10 and y into y is y square. Now what step is remaining here? You have to add that. The verticals, whatever written upside and downside, the like terms are written in one column. You can see 45xy and 8xy are the like terms and they are written in one column only. And this 36x square is alone only, downside nothing is there because it is unlike term. Same with 10y square also, same thing with 10y square, because there is no any other y square in the expression. So it is also unlike, so separate it is. Now you will add that. Next step is this only, that addition to. Vertically you will add column wise, that 10y square as it is 36 square, you will add that result is coming here 36x square. Then 45xy plus 8xy, they are like terms, we can add them. Okay, because they are like terms. So 45xy plus 8xy, here it is 53xy. Now this 10y square is alone here, so 10y square, and here 0 is only, nothing is there, so 10y square. So this is the result. Again the same result is coming here, 36x square plus 53xy plus 10y square. Understood? Now, yes, now the next question is multiply 9x minus 7y and 3x minus 8y. Here both the algebraic expressions are the binomials and their in between sign is minus here. So that we have to multiply, and here we are going to use the rule of distributive law of multiplication over subtraction. Okay, so let's do it. 9x minus 7y into 3x minus 8y. So first this 9x we will take and we will multiply with the expression 3x minus 8y. with the whole binomial 3x minus 8y. Then you will take this minus 7y and that will multiply to 3x minus 8y. So you can see here 9x into this whole binomial 3x minus 8y, and then you will take this minus 7y with the sign minus, you will write here minus 7y and multiply with the second binomial 3x minus 8y. Now the question, you can see it is divided in two parts, where in each part one monomial is multiplying to a binomial. That I have already explained in previous video, that 9x into 3x minus 8y, how to do that, and minus 7y into 3x minus 8y, how a monomial will multiply to a binomial. One by one it will multiply that. You see that 9x into 3x you will do, then this 9 into 3 is 27 you will write, and then x into x is x square. This you will do that. Look at here, this 9 into 3 is 27 and x into x is x square. Now same way this 9 into 8 is 9 into minus 8 is minus 72 xy. Now next this minus 7y is multiplying minus 7 into 3, minus 7y into 3x. So minus 7 into 3 is minus 21 and y into x is minus xy. Then minus 7y into minus 8y. So you will multiply this minus and minus, that is plus. So minus 7 into minus 8 is plus 56 and y into y is y square. So it is 56y square. Then result is 27x square. Now we are seeing that minus 72xy and minus 21xy, they are the like terms because their variables are same with their power. So you will add them because both having the same sign minus. So minus 72 and minus 21, that is minus 93xy. So that we will write minus 93xy, minus 72xy, and minus 21xy is minus 93xy. Then at the last this unlike term is there, 56y square is the unlike term, so that you will write as it is. So 56y square. So this is the result here, 27x square minus 93xy plus 56y square. So this way you can multiply two binomials. Okay. Now you will solve the questions from exercise 6D of multiplication questions based on multiplications of two binomials, such as question number 1 to 10. You will solve that. You will practice, and from exercise 6C also question number 18 to 22 you will multiply. Simplifications questions are there from there, and revise the binomials multiplications, how to multiply two binomials. Okay, and do watch these videos for understanding all the things. Thank you all of you.